Hello YouTube! Objective in this tutorial will be to learn how to totally reverse order of elements here. So algol will be sent to place of cobol and cobol will be sent to place of algol. And another thing will be, let me type that. Another thing will be to put multiple new things in our already existing array with the function push. And after that we will do sorting by alphabet, if you need that kind of order. Right, so first let's do reversing. So document.write, target is old PL, and then you'll use dot and function reverse. Don't forget normal brackets. So result here will be algol, fortran and cobol. Question: can we put result of this operation in a new array? Well, sure. So var new stuff or reversed stuff, whatever, you will say old pl dot reverse, and now you can use it directly down there. You just need to say new stuff or reversed stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Same result, so let me test that multiple times. Algol, fortran, cobol, blah blah blah, that works. So let me have this here as a reference. Now let's add new stuff to our old PL array. How? Well, what is the target? Old PL, and then after that we will say push. So this is a function, and we need to pass those things that we want to add to old programming languages. Let me think. Basic, and what is assembler, and what else is fancy? Similar. And that's pretty much it. So here we will have situation before insertion, and down there we will have situation after insertion, after party, and here we need to say before. Okay, and also we must have a little bit of HTML here, break, right, to have some kind of order in the results. So cobol, fortran and algol, this is from beginning of time, and after that, after our changes, we have all these fancy things right here. So here's the question: how to sort these things? Well, we need to say, let me do that right here. We need to say old programming languages, and there is a bunch of them right here at the moment after operation of insertion. Okay, so there is how much? 6 of them? I don't know, 5 of them, who cares? So old programming languages sort. So the moment when you do this, you will have all these things here sorted by alphabet. So you will first see assembler, then basic, or algol, then basic, I don't know, who cares? So save and refresh, and I don't see the results because I didn't print those things. Right, so after sorting, and that basically means that here we also need to have HTML break, and there you go. Algol, assembler, yeah, algol, assembler, basic, cobol, fortran, yeah. Alphabet order, order, right. I don't know how to talk these days. Anyway, so it is important to note, just remember that you have these functions at your disposal. Reverse, if you want to reverse everything, dot push, if you want to have multiple things add to your already existing kind of, well, not database, but array, list, group, whatever. And if you want to sort things based on alphabet, you just use sort without any kind of parameters. And reverse also doesn't need any kind of parameter. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget normal brackets, don't forget semicolon at the end of operation, and you will pretty much be fine. So yeah, this looks a little bit confusing, so you can just simplify your life by using all these things individually on the screen. Right, there is a lot of document rights here. So anyway, thank you for watching, and as always, see you next tutorial.